Thanks for stopping by. I wanted to put some video up of my WR Long grapple. I've used it for maybe 20 or 25 hours. Bought it from a local WR Long dealer here in Central Texas. With the third valve function kit, it came to about $3,200, and I think installation was another, well, I don't know, maybe $900 or something like that. They kind of fought with it. Anyway, it's pretty slick install. It works great. I'm so glad I have it. I thought forklifts were a handy implement for the tractor, but this grapple is really amazing. I've been trimming some trees here that have needed to be trimmed badly for several years. It was just such a hassle to push all the branches off with the loader bucket, so I've been wanting a grapple. And now I got one. The really cool thing with this grapple is that you can turn it completely on its end, not its end, but you can turn it to where the top and bottom, the top plates and the bottom bars touch the ground, and then you just close the grapple, and then you can literally pick something straight up off the ground. You don't have to scoop it up, which I thought was pretty cool. I've gotten quite a bit of use out of this thing, and it's working great. I highly recommend it. It's my first grapple, but the utility value of it is really amazing. I bought this one with the wider spacing on the bottom plates, the bottom part of it. You could get closer spacing, but I wanted to keep the weight down of this, and no, I don't know what the grapple weighs, but it's absolutely no problem picking up anything heavy. I picked up some humongous rocks with this thing. I just position the grapple right over the rock, and if it'll fit between the bottom and the top, it'll pick it up. The tractor will lift it. Good tractor, and I'm really thrilled with it. I highly recommend the third valve function kit that WR Long sells. It by itself, it's like $815, and you tell them what kind of loader you have. Like I have a H180 loader. It's a new loader on an older tractor, so they sent the parts with the grapple to the dealer. Only thing I don't really care for a whole lot is the joystick control. It's, you know, it's okay. I'm getting used to it, but when I move the joystick loader control towards the steering wheel, it kind of hits a little bit. So I'm learning to deal with it. I looked into alternatives for the loader joystick, and they're expensive, and I don't want to mess with it. So basically, you have this one button on the joystick. You push up on the rocker switch, the plates open up, you push down, and then they clamp down. They clamp down with a good bit of force also, so I'm just really impressed. I know I've said that a lot of times, but there you have it. This is a handy little work implement for the tractor. So, all right, I've babbled on long enough, so y'all just watch the video as you wish, and check out WR Long. You know, I have no financial incentive whatsoever. I just did my research on the internet and called them and talked to them and got their recommendation. So I'm quite pleased with it, and if you buy one, I bet you will be too. Hey, thanks a bunch. Okay, that's the end of the video. Thanks for stopping by. We also have a website, janeandjohn.org. Catch you later. Bye.